The latest person in Pakistan to be distressed by the country's internet wars is Pakistan People's Party leader Bilawal Bhutto. And he has approached the issue of censorship with humor, asking a question: why do the fish in our ocean seem to eat only the internet cables of Pakistan? But there's a catch. Ironically, as a part of the ruling government, he's the one who should be answering this question. With that being said, hello and welcome to The Print. My name is Devdatta, and in today's episode of Go to Pakistan, we discuss why Bilawal Bhutto gave Pakistanis a lesson in humor and hypocrisy. Now, some Pakistanis chose to call out his hypocrisy, reminding him that his party is part of the government. Twitter user named The Patriot called out Bhutto's hypocrisy and said that this is what we call Noora Kushti in Pakistan. Bilawal Bhutto wants to enjoy the benefits of being part of the coalition while getting PPP's cases cleared, yet he occasionally takes jabs at the government. The people of Pakistan are no longer fooled by these tactics. Noora Kushti is a Persian term that means pretending to fight. But before that, here's some context. Bhutto was referring to the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority's recent notification on the malfunction of undersea cables which affected Pakistan's internet services. The National Assembly Standing Committee on Information Technology on Wednesday delayed the Digital National Pakistan Bill, criticizing the slow progress in improving internet speeds. Pakistan's internet speeds are significantly slower than the global average. Broadband speeds in the country are about 10 to 20 Mbps, while the global average is 60 to 120. Pakistan also ranks 101 globally for internet speeds, while India and China rank much higher on the 20th and the 13th spot respectively. The situation was further complicated by the ongoing upgradation of Pakistan's web management system, which is a firewall that monitors and controls internet traffic, a claim that the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority has denied. However, the lack of transparency has raised concerns and suspicions. Addressing these concerns in a viral video, Bhutto can be seen asking, आप मुझे बताएं पाकिस्तान के इंटरनेट केबल्स में ऐसा क्या है कि हमारे समंदर की मछलियां वो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के इंटरनेट केबल्स खाती रहती हैं, which translates to what is it about Pakistani cables that fish in our sea only seem to attack them. Many Pakistanis used the occasion to allege corruption on the part of the Bhuttos. Saad Ahmed Nisar had a response to his question on Instagram and said, जैसे तुम पाकिस्तान को खा गए और तुम्हारे वालिद ने लोगों की जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी. Just like you ate up Pakistan and your father destroyed the lives of people. Aisha Naeem took the liberty of asking Billu to go and ask this question to the Army Chief General Asim Munir instead of the common people. Many even sarcastically labeled him Papa Ki Pari, which is a derogatory term used to describe rich, entitled people. And Rabia Khan suggested that Papa Ki Pari apne papa se poocho. Why don't you go and ask your father? While Pakistanis found his comments funny, there was something funnier than his speech, and that was his accent. It reminded Pakistanis of the aunts who like to create controversies. Social media user Alisha wrote in a comment, मेरी एक फुफ्फो बिल्कुल ऐसे ही बात करती है. I have an aunt who talks exactly like this. Others had other concerns, not about the internet but about Bilawal's weight loss. The dominant question was, is he on Ozempic? Mohlik Khan posted, Billo Rani looks like this Ozempic treatment ke baad. And then there were other priorities. On Instagram, Shanzeh Zaman thought that this was an opportune moment to remind the internet of Bilawal's previous remarks, one which is till date etched in the Hall of Fame of viral memes. He responded saying, अब ज़्यादा मछली आता है तो ज़्यादा केबल काटा है, which was a veiled response to the PPP member's earlier comment on Karachi floods where he said, जब बारिश आता है तब पानी आता है. On that note, this is Devdatta for The Print. Keep watching for more such videos.